Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Donald on the application of Microsoft Teams. You click on Settings. Here we click on Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. And above here you will write this name of this application of Teams. Then we click on Full Stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on Clear Cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.